Okay, hey guys, is Kevin coming to you from Shenzhen, China on my e-bike, and it is a very cloudy Wednesday afternoon, and like I've said in the last video, riding on an e-bike is a bit of an interesting experience because it's a combination of riding on sidewalks and on roads. So I'm here in Shenzhen and Shekou, and I'm just finishing work. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and check out. I'm looking for a boxing gym. My son Kai, he's going to start boxing tomorrow. He's been interested in taking up the pastime. Yeah, just something, you know. He's intrigued. He's got a few friends who started boxing. And so the key is to try to find a club where he can train in English, because Kai doesn't speak Chinese. A little bit, but not enough to train effectively. And yeah. So it's down this way, and there's an Australian coach. So we're going to take him there tomorrow after school and go check it out. I boxed when I was in high school. But that was a really long time ago, and I really enjoyed boxing. I thought it gave me a lot of confidence. It helped get me fit. Even now, I still, when I go to the gym, I train a little bit. But to be honest, I said to him, I don't want to teach you how to do things wrong, because I know that my form is not good, and everything is not good, because that was so long ago. I haven't had a coach since I was like 17 or 16. So yeah. So I'm heading off to do that now, to see this place, just so I know where to take him tomorrow. And honestly, after school, I often just like to go for a ride around the neighborhood anyway. So I know it's down this way, according to the map. I'll get through this intersection, and once I get through this intersection, I'll get down here. I'll stop and get on my phone and check out the WeChat maps. WeChat is the big communication network app here in China. I'm gonna kind of go this way and then kind of do a zig and a zag and a zag and a zig, and kind of go straight right down here. All right, I'm gonna go down here a little bit. It's a one-way street, but those e-bike advantages. I'm gonna pull up here for a moment. Grab my phone and see where I am. I'll close this for a moment here. So again, gonna check that on out. Okay, not too far away. We'll get on going down the road. So how you guys all doing? You see a lot of people have checked out the last couple of videos I put on. A lot of people, for a dormant channel, that is. I posted a shorter POV e-bike riding video on my Instagram, actually, the @JLandKev Instagram, and got several new followers because of that, which is interesting. So I think maybe I'll put up some more shorter videos of that. But as I cruise down here, I really think somewhere down this road. Yeah, this is a very a new area, gentrified. I've been told that this specific street I'm riding down 10 years ago, was a kind of like a red light district or pink light district, so I've heard. But it's definitely anything but that now. Is a very gentrified, very nice area, a lot of clothing shops, nail salons, cafes, barber shops, that kind of thing. Yeah. Pull in here and see. Get that map out again. I think it's across this big intersection up here, actually. But we'll see in a moment. Thanks for coming along, guys, on the ride. I've apparently passed it. Okay. Well, it's apparently behind me. About half a block this way. Really? Now I'm confused. Oh. Right, well, here's a tight fit. Hey there, partner. He's going the wrong way too. Haha. So it looks to me. Oh, there we go. There it is right there. Okay. Cool. All right. There's the gym right there. All right. Found it. I'm not going to stop by right now. But it's cool to find the gym. And yeah, I'll pop by there tomorrow with Kai. All right, on. Well, let's keep on riding. So I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna hit the convenience store, grab a couple of things, and then head on home. Yeah. So that's it. I shot another video, and I'm gonna go back to the same place again. I shot a video a couple of days ago of some really neat flower shops that have a lot of Chinese New Year decorations. But unfortunately, the video file here on the the Insta360 Go 2 seems to be corrupted because I can't download it onto my devices. It keeps saying that my devices don't have enough storage space to download it. And I was trying to download it onto an iPad that had like 100 gigs free. So I don't know, but we'll see what happens. But thank you guys for watching. And of course, I will ask you all, I will implore you to check all the links below. Check out my Instagram, check out all that stuff. And we'll be talking to you guys later. It's good to see you all. All right, Kevin coming to you from Shenzhen, China, and I'll be talking to you very soon.